On the bow. All right, our first three-parter, pretty stoked. Episodes number 9, 10, and 11, Kajun Karen. We're gonna break this episode up, this series up into 3 parts. So it's gonna be blackfish, redfish, and no fish. We just kept seeing these black drum everywhere. I mean, we saw redfish, but like, it seemed like the black drum were just absolutely everywhere. And I catch black drum pretty consistently, you know. For sight casting, I'm not ever catching tanks. I'm catching a lot of like, you know, mid 20s, maybe pushing 30. So we keep seeing these black drum. They tail, but not like a redfish or not like a black drum I've ever seen. I mean, they kind of do like this weird like porpoising thing. Their tail goes up and then it's gone and that's it. Like they don't stay down tailing. You don't just see the tails waving at you. But we pull up to the first one. I make a shot, hit it right on the head, which we found out throughout the trip, like the black drum, you basically have to put it in between their eyes. Like they're not gonna find it, it's dirty water. You have to put it a couple inches in front of their face and just a couple quick little twitches and they'll grab it. And so first when I hook up, he runs right at the boat, I try to strip, I end up losing, he comes unstuck. Pull out, pull back in, do the same thing again and hook up, and it's like, to me, it was the biggest black drum I got on fly. To me, I thought it was an absolute tank. You know, this thing was like 30 inches, maybe bigger. Stoked, you know, it's like pulling in a freaking cinder block. They're not super fun, but they're heavy. And the rest of the trip was just that. I mean, black drum after black drum. I mean, the biggest one I got had to be like, I don't know, I don't want to exaggerate, 20, 25 pounds. Yeah, maybe bigger. I mean, it was just an absolute monster. I mean, yeah, the fish, they were freaks. Oh, I'm on. Black drum, black drum.
Black drum, baby. The boy got his black drum.
A tank too. This is the laziest fish I've ever fought in my life.
Dude, so sick.
That was so dope. Saw him tailing. Not only my black drum on fly, but probably my biggest black drum of all time. Look at that thing, dude.
There he is. Finally realized he's hooked.
Give me a little something, man. You seeing him?
Yeah. Fuck yes.
Get it, man, get it. That was sick. I saw that tail from a mile away. Oh no! 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 No.
Go find another one.
Oh my gosh. I thought I was so stuck. Dude, I came unstuck. Damn. That was a big fish, dude. Come on, redemption, please. Maybe I foul hooked that first one. Oh, there he is. He's right here. He's literally right here. I could jump off the boat and grab him. Come on. Dude! On the bow! Oh my gosh, another tank. I don't know if you can count that, but I made a cast.
We'll figure this one
I'll just reel the knot into the reel.
I mean, you can't do anything else about it now.
I'll buy a new line for this fish, I don't care. Hey Siri, what to do if you have a knot in your fly line but you're hooked up already? All right, buddy, you're getting stripped in. Sorry. You got the power pole down? I say put it up, dude. Let him wear himself out. You can pull the boat around. Wrapped around him. Size of that thing, dude. Okay. Alert this thing.
Oh, we got him!
Oh my gosh! Dude!
Oh, you just ran a marathon, boy.
I was so nervous with that line. All right. Yeah, where you want to? Got him. Got him. Pull us out to the channel, buddy. Woo! It's got to be right on him. There he goes. He realized we're here. Yep. Dude, it's like you're just stuck on a log. Like he's not going anywhere. He's just sitting there. What, I have 20 shots like that this morning? Finally got one to do it.
What you guys think? Louisiana, baby.
Don't you know better? Jurassic Park at its finest.
They're growing bigger. Don't tell the kids, but I'm on the juice. Right now it feels like if you're on a big tarpon in deep water where they're not jumping, they're kind of at the end of the fight and they're just pulling down, yeah. Sitting in the current, doesn't want to move. Well, by the time I get this fish in, the tide might have moved in all right. Get to some of these spots. Yeah, I appreciate our fishery in the lagoon, but this is something crazy. If you can survive the gnats and the freaking mosquitoes and gators and all the other hazards. Come on, dude. I know you don't do that much exercise. You gotta be getting tired. I'm gonna fight him like a tarpon, dude. Put the freaking butt in my hip. I mean, it's just insane how many we got. We even got one at the Airbnb. The owner's super cool. He has a crab trap out there. He's like, yeah, use the crab trap, catch some crabs and do whatever you want. So we like caught some crabs in the crab trap, broke them up, chunked them out, put a rod in the rod holder, and one of the guys we were with, you know, as we're cleaning the boats at the end of the day, you just hear his rod slam down and start running down the canal, and he runs up, grabs it, maxes up, like downloading footage, having a beer, and freaking, I mean, we like yelling at Max, get down here, dude, get down here. He runs down with his camera, or he runs down, go get your camera. He runs back up, gets the camera mid-fight, and dude, it's like a 40-inch black drum this dude got. You'll see in the video, the dude's like, I don't know, 6'2", 300 pounds, 350, and the black drum still looks monstrous.
Was that the crab? Yeah, just let that thing go crab in it. All right, more crab. Y'all want to grab those pops?
What you got there, boy? What you got there?
Yes. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude!
Oh my god. Leave him in over here.
Dude, leave the boats at home next time.
Holy shit! Look at that sugar! Off the dock! Bro, what? Come on, dude. I heard it, I'm like, man, I'm hooked up! Look at this pig, dude. Oh my god. That's it. Jurassic Park, what can you say? Louisiana.
Yeah. Dude. I mean, that thing's gotta be 30 pounds. All up 30 pounds. That's a monster. I go get him.
Won't go anywhere, boy.
Just absolutely crazy, but it was pretty fun dialing in these massive black drum all episode. Yes. Black drum. It's working, you dude. Dude, this is the most intense one we've had yet. That was another freaking cane pole feed. He was just on there. That's a run. They're coming small down here, do they? So heavy. My new favorite fish, apparently. I'm gonna go a separate way. Can't one-hand it. Again, we really appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you enjoy the content. Subscribe, follow along, whatever, and just keep enjoying it.